This is Mohit. Again, I'm going to start to next session. So last session I had discussed what is the use of class keyword. So now we'll discuss how to start your Java coding. So you have a Java in your system. In the last session we had discussed you have a editor, one editor that is called Edit Plus. I am using. You can take any editor. Now how start your Java coding from the practical if you are beginner in the Java. So now what you have, how this Java coding is working. So first we have a, if you start your Java coding, then we have one file. This is your file. This is your file, but this is your editor, and you have written this code, right? This code I have written like class test. Okay, this class test you have written. This is the Java file. Then how to execute this your Java file? So this file you have to save by using Java extension. So how to save the file? Class name dot Java. So after saving this class, after saving this file in the dot Java extension, then what is the next step? So next steps, how it will work, what you have to do. So next you have to compile this code. Okay, we have to compile this code. Compile. Okay, so what is the meaning of compilation? Okay, so I will explain. So use of this compilation. So when you are writing anything here, this is your class level. When you are writing anything, then we have a JDK software, right? This JDK software, this is your JDK. This JDK software, we have an inbuilt software called compiler, JRE. So when you are installing Java in your system, so this JDK by default having the compiler of JRE. So after .java class file, then we have to do compilation. So what is the job of the compiler? Compiler will check the syntax of your code, whatever the code you have written. If anything is wrong or any syntax error is there, then compiler will throw error, compiled an error. After compilation, what happened? One file will be generated. After compilation, one file will be generated. That file is called .class file. So what is this .class file? This is machine code. Machine code, or you can tell this is your byte code. Okay, so after compilation, if there is no compile time error, then compiler will generate byte code. So what is the byte code? So byte code is nothing but it is a machine code, or this code is able to understand our Java virtual machine. Okay, this Java virtual machine, this is your JVM. This is your JVM. Okay, so this is your, after that we have to interact with JVM. So after byte code, this code is able to understand JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Now after interacting with the JVM, here this is our system. This is our system. Here we will get output. Okay, here we will get output. So this is how your Java file, when you are starting your Java code, how internally it is working. But we have a one question here. Okay, how to interact between this bytecode with the JVM, or how to interact with the, this class, means this class is developed by the users, we are the users, then how to interact with this Java virtual machine. So this is the one question. If you know this question, just comment me in my video session, okay, in the comment section. So coming session definitely I will come on with how to interact with Java virtual machine. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and next session I will continue with coding. Thank you so much.